Hi, I'm John Kennedy with Lutron Electronics, and today we are going to discuss the preset light options with the Maestro Sensor LED Plus dimmer. There are two preset light level options. The default is Unlocked Preset, which will turn the light on to the last level it was turned off at. You can also lock a preset to have the dimmer turn on to the same level every time. Remember, you can always double tap the Maestro to go to full brightness. To set a locked preset, first enter Advanced Feature Mode by pulling out the front accessible service switch. This will turn off your lights. Next, press and hold the tap switch and push in the service switch while continuing to hold for 5 seconds until the LED on the dimmer starts blinking. Then release. Use the rocker until the top LED is blinking, and hit the tap switch once to enter Advanced Programming Mode. Ensure the bottom LED is blinking for Preset Mode, and hit the tap switch once to enter this feature. When initially entering this mode, you may not see any lights blinking for the first time. Simply press the raise or lower buttons to choose the desired light intensity to lock in your preset. Save your setting by pressing the tap switch. If you wanted to unlock your preset, lower the indicator light to the bottom, and then press and hold the lower rocker for 3 seconds until the indicator lights turn off. Then save this setting by pressing the tap switch. This will save the level and take you back out to the Advanced Features main menu. To exit Advanced Programming Mode, you can press and hold the tap button until the indicator lights stop blinking. Wait for 1 minute for the device to time out, or pull the phase out and push it back in.